Hey guys, I'm Chris. Welcome to Show Me the Hogs. Today I'm going to show you one simple trick that you can use to eliminate memory from your fishing line, and all you're going to need is a simple piece of leather, like this old belt I've got here. Alright guys, for this demonstration I'm going to be using this tapered fly leader. I took this off my reel a couple of days ago, so it's been sitting in this package for a couple of days, and it is going to have a considerable bit of memory on it. So I'm going to be straightening this up for this demonstration, but this technique can also be used for regular fishing line like monofilament and fluorocarbon. And what you're going to do is, I'm going to semi-straighten this out first. Make sure I don't put any unnecessary knots in this thing. Alright, I'm going to start with the top of this leader here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your fishing line, you're going to fold over your piece of leather, like my old belt that I've got here. I'm going to pinch that fishing line together like this and make sure it's good and firm, and then I'm going to start pulling that fishing line through. And as you start pulling that line through, it's going to eliminate that memory, because you definitely don't want any of that in your line. It's annoying, it'll mess up your casts, it could cause knots, none of which are good. So there you go. That line is so much straighter now, and I guarantee you it's going to cast like a boss. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit subscribe and check out some of the other fishing tutorials on our channel. We've got a bunch of them. We've also got a bunch of fishing videos you guys might enjoy of us catching bass, trout, whatever you guys name it, we catch it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.